I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing another behind the scenes video. We are shooting in this beautiful sunflower field with model Bree. I'll leave her information in the description down below. This place is called Bowden Sun Maze, and it's really awesome because they let photographers shoot here. I will leave their link in the description as well for you guys if any of you are in Calgary. So yeah, I'm shooting with my usual setup, Canon 5D Mark III 85mm 1.2. I might also shoot some on the 50 1.2. It is around 4 p.m. right now. The sun is about to go lower and lower, so I really hope for a nice sunset. And yeah, we're just gonna start shooting. It's really bright right now. I'm shooting like 4,000 shutter speed. I think I'm gonna use my ladder, and the reason why I want to use it is because I will be able to not get any of the sky in my shots, and because it's so bright right now, it's just going to be blown out at white. So if I put a ladder, I will be able to shoot more from the higher perspective, and I will only get the sunflowers in the shot. Oh yeah, that's way better already. Gotta be careful. Oh yeah, way better. So don't worry about like holding them too much. Maybe you can hold them, but maybe just one. So like not two at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, that's cute. That's awesome. Yeah, that's really, I actually really like that pose with like both. So like not holding them specifically, right? But like just two hands on the side. Yeah, that's really, really cute. Oh, and I like the chin up like you were doing. Yeah, with a little bit of that smile. Yes, that's it. That's gorgeous. Yes, that's awesome. Maybe let's just walk a little bit this way, because I want to find one that's at her level that she can like, as if she's smelling it or something. I don't know. Something like that. I just want to find one at her level. See, like something like this even, that like she can,
Oh, yeah.
oh, there's a bee inside. Hello, bee. This would be kind of cool. No, it has to be higher. Oh, I like this one right here. Look at this one. I think that one is perfect, and it's turned like nicely our way. All right, so yeah, I want you to kind of like do something like that, but you have to kind of still keep your head not too much this way, kind of like this maybe, because I don't want too much highlight on your face. I'll tell. Actually just like this is fine too, like in profile. Get really close to it, like closer. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, and we need the ladder, of course. I'm gonna go for more of a closer shot here. Let's see. I feel like the white shirt is just way too white because it's so bright. I want to change into the other shirt. So we just actually decided to switch the shirt for the yellow one. The white shirt was cute, but because it's so bright right now, the white was just turning really, really white, and I couldn't see any detail in the shirt. So this will just make it a little bit easier for us. So yeah, the same kind of shot of what you were doing before that looked really cute. And I love the highlight you're getting on the, yeah. Can you get even closer to it? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's really cute. Grab it more by the stem, like a little bit lower. Yeah, and like turn it and turn your face more, so like get closer to it, just kind of like, yeah, yes, exactly, that's the shot, yeah, and just a little bit smiley here as well. Yeah, that's cute.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other.
Yeah, oh, that's really cute. Actually, stay there. I really, really like the way that looks, but I'm gonna switch to a 50. See what we get there. Just feel like 50 might get a little bit of a nicer look for this spot. I will get a little bit more of the sunflowers. Just a better lifestyle lens. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think I like the look of the 50 here better. And smiling. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, that's really cute. Try to put your head more like straight towards me.
Okay.
Yeah, with the, I know it's kind of hard. Yeah, like this. Is it possible for you to stand yes,
it?
yes, exactly. That way you don't have to like
Be like.
yes, exactly, exactly. And so leave this hand down, and just with this hand hold it up. Yeah, and like, so cover your face but not too much. It's only like a little bit, like only like on the side of the eye sort of, and then get your face closer to it. Is there a bee or something in there? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's really cute. So try to bring this rather than like leaning. Yes, yes, there it is, there it is. Okay, that, I love the way this looks, but then here with this hand, maybe put it somewhere. Yeah, 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 there it is.
Good shake things off, but I'm not that type. With you,
Actually, I like the way you're standing right here. Just, and like, yeah, tying it up, yeah. I like this angle right now too. But let's try a little bit of, I always like, even though I like something, I always try to try out different angles too. So even though I really like that high angle, now I'm gonna step down onto one step lower and see what that looks as well. Because you never know, you might like something a little bit different as well. Yes, oh, that's really cute. That's a really cute pose, yeah. Yeah, that's really cute. What if you grab it with both hands? But not like this, more kind of like, or even, okay, maybe this one because it's so big. What if you can kind of turn it, and then you can just kind of like, as if you're something like this. Oh, actually that's really cute, but I think I want a close-up of that. Yes, yes, I love that. That's perfect. Oh, that's really, really cute. Yes, that's awesome. What if you hold it with this hand, and then with this one maybe you can play with your hair?
Okay. Hold it with my right, and then this.
Let's switch. Maybe let's the other one. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah. Oh, like that, like that. That's really cute. Yeah, that look from like above, I really, really like it. Okay, I want more of her like walking, so maybe let's just go find like a nice path. Yes, and then get you like on the path. Stay here, it actually looks really good. I just need my letter. Usually I'm a fan of like sunlight, but it was so freaking hot and it was so bright that now that we have this cloud, I actually really like it. And also because we do have this cloud, now I can shoot multiple different ways. I don't have to always shoot backlit because it's really nice and smooth right now. So we can shoot this way as well, which I really like. Actually, but I want, because I don't want any of these green leaves.
Yeah.
Can you up just a little bit further over there? Yeah, like in there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's really pretty. I'm gonna get you to like literally, you're just gonna be walking and like, so you can walk and you can kind of like play with them. You can twirl, like smile, just like be cute. And then I'll try to like catch that like nice and genuine. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Just don't go too far. Yeah. Go a little bit closer. So around like this spot. Yeah, you can like twirl and do stuff around that. actually come a little bit closer. Do you see this one? This big one? Yeah. Can you almost want, you know, like those spontaneous shots of like ha ha ha,
Yeah.
like this. So I kind of want you to like hold one of them like this and then go like ha 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 towards me like this. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Huh? Yes, yes, that's perfect, that's perfect. That's cute, that's super cute. Yes. There you go, there you go. Yeah, I mean, at first, you know, it's awkward, but then it's funny, so they actually laugh genuinely, and you want the genuine smile. Yeah, there you go, that's cute. Yes, that's awesome. That's perfect, that's perfect. I wonder if you were sitting like in there, and then I actually want you to sit a little bit higher. Can't you sit? Let's try this. Let's try it. If I put this, and then you sit on top of it,
Okay.
and then your legs kind of go down this way. Can you bring them just a little bit? Yeah, yeah, just like that. Let's see what that looks like. Yes, I like. That looks really good. I have to be just kind of far. Yes, yes, that's really cute. Yes, that's adorable. And look out that way. Yes. Oh, I love this. Wouldn't you mind taking off your shoes for this one? I like the sneakers too, but I think it's gonna look a little bit more like my style without the sneakers. They look really, really good here. The light is so beautiful right now. Like, it's even better than the sunset. Like, it's so soft, but at the same time kind of glowy. Like, it makes your skin really glow. Yes, yes, that's perfect. Yeah, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. And then keep it like that. What if you put one hand over here? Yes. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. So keep your head up like that, because then you're getting that beautiful light. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm loving these. Okay, I'm gonna try to shoot these at 1.2. I was shooting almost the whole photo shoot at 1.6, but for these last ones, I kind of want to go back to 1.2. Yeah, that's awesome. And again, like put your, yeah, or like both, yeah, I love that, both hands like that, yeah.
Oh, these look
They're
so
cute.
Oh, it looks so cute.
Yes, oh, I love that. And what if you kind of look out this way? I'm gonna try to shoot it even more this way. Again, I always, all of the sides look good. But whenever I shoot, I always try different angles. Yes, oh my goodness. I love all of them. What if you go like full on, kind of like this? Is that possible? Yeah. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. Oh, I love that. So we just finished our photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out Bree and her Instagram. And don't forget to like this video if you did, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!